This is the guy. He made 3,000 from $100. That's absolutely crazy. And you can see here some of the trades. Obviously, everything just has to go in the right direction for this to work. Here's another guy. Deposit 300, made 9,000.
They say some things that are just meant to lose. What's that one thing keeping me away from you now?
Good morning, traders. I'm just waking up here with my girlfriend. It's a Saturday morning now, and we had a pretty good week trading the markets there. We're just having a little bit of tea here, getting a little bit of work done while she types away on the computer there. Last night we were able to go to the beach, and we actually jumped in some cold water there. We found a cold water area. It was super cool, really good for your discipline. So if you do want to do something like that, it improves, all your skin, your circulation. It improves just your discipline and your mindset. So that's something really cool to do at the end of the week or something like that. I don't know if you want to use it to help with your trading or whatever. But let's get to the point. I know I promised you guys a whole Discord account flip where everyone's going to be involved. Everyone's going to throw in $100 and see what they can make of it in 1 week. And we did do that. And I did say that I didn't think it would go as expected. And that's exactly what happened. It didn't go as expected. It didn't go exactly what you thought was going to happen, where the accounts were going to get completely flipped and we were going to make a ton of money. I was pretty much guaranteed that it was going to get liquidated. There was going to get losses just because the trading method is so crazy. So the first attempt is not going to work, and that's exactly what happened. But the unexpected thing was that I completely overlooked that my broker doesn't actually allow high leverage. So I'm going to want to do something like this again at some point, and I'm going to find a new broker that is actually allowed in BC, Canada. I have very strict laws on who I can actually sign up with, so there's very few brokers that actually have high leverage. So I need to find those. So I did say that at some point, again, I will try this again, and what I mean by that is at some point I will try this multiple times again until it does actually work, and then I'll show you a video and it'll be pretty cool. I'll probably take a good 10 tries and blow up a few $1,000s, but we'll see what happens. It'll be a funny video at least. But you will see, if you watch till the end of this video, you will see at least a little bit of an attempt on my part. I did make like something like super, like 40% or something like that, and then it just started losing, and then I tried to liquidate it. I tried to just do something completely crazy to make sure it would either go up or down, and it didn't do anything. It was super boring. But the exciting thing that is that some of the guys in the Discord, they were actually able to flip an account. One guy, you'll see, he flipped $100 to $3,000. Now I know this is great. I'm going to show you some clips at the end. It's going to be pretty cool. But these guys, they did approach me and they said, you know what, I was taking photos, I was taking videos the whole time, and then it got liquidated at the end, and I just didn't show the actual liquidation. So it just kind of goes to show, this is exactly what I was talking about, that it's basically just random. We had maybe 30 people try this, and I think only 2 or 3 or something made money, and then they liquidated it, right? So it basically tells us either one of two things: is we all suck, and these guys that actually trade and flip the $1,000 to like 200K or whatever it is, these guys are just absolute legends, and they're the best traders in the world. Or we all just suck, right? And it could be as simple as that. I have actual professional Forex traders in the Discord, and they all couldn't do it. That being said, let's jump into the video. Right, guys, starting the week off. Got a little calming music in the background. There we go. Yeah, getting the moods right. Getting the vibes right. We got UJ, and we're just seeing sweeps right above. I've drawn some teal lines there. You can see it's beautiful. I would really love for this to close, and then I'm pretty sure we're going to come all the way back down there. That's the hourly there. The 15-minute has just closed perfectly below. It looks absolutely beautiful. We did actually enter right away. and I'm using this trade on both the stupid account flip and the normal person account flip. All right, what's up, guys? It's Friday already. Haven't really updated. It's been a really slow week. Thursday took absolutely no trades, and that's not very common for me. This is the only trade that I actually took on Wednesday also, so it's just been very slow. It was basically just a long scalp from this level right here, and as we moved up, I targeted the exact bottom here, and we got a perfect kiss and then an exit, and then of course this started kind of wonking around and breaking down. I might be able to get a short in on it as it breaks down from here, but there's actually quite a few pairs that I'm just looking at. I'm just really waiting for everything to kind of make some moves. It seems like the market just really keeps showing me what's possible, and then nothing really is available. We did just take a actual GJ short here, so this does confirm our bias with the pound actually continuing down here, so that would be really nice. We got in a little bit high, but that move is super bullish in my opinion. That's obviously not the take profit. Take profit's going to be way up here, if you can see a little bit higher, that long base. So hopefully that can finish off before the end of the week and I don't have to keep any trades open over the weekend. So I actually kind of completely forgot to update you guys on any of these trades for this week. So I'm just going to briefly show you what happened here on EJ. And EJ, it went a little bit in our favor. It did all right. We took a little bit of profit off after it started reversing there on the smaller time frames, on the 15 and whatnot here, right around there. And then we just closed it out for the week. So the week, it actually did go kind of well. And what I'm going to do, I think, with this series is basically just kind of update you on a couple of the good trades of the week, kind of give you like a lifestyle, like traders day in the life of the trader, things like this, things that I'm doing. So it's going to be a little bit more of a vlog type video. So if you guys really do like this stuff, then you can watch along. Hopefully you can kind of see and experience what I'm kind of going through in mental stages, in social stages, things like this, just to maybe help you guys in some sort of way that might get you a little bit further in your trading career, and also it's going to be a little bit more fun. So I think I'm going to roll a clip of us going to the beach there right now. It's kind of fun time. In terms of how much I actually did profit this week, I think it was something like 2R, so it was a good profit. I do like 2R for the week. 2% is what I'm basically risking. Some people, they wanted me to actually update the account flip with a higher risk percentage because it's only $1,000. All I'm doing is I'm just mirroring my account because I risk 1% roughly each trade, and I want to basically just completely mirror it so that you guys can see what I would actually be making on a day-to-day basis. Assuming you guys don't know exactly how much I'm trading with, but you could probably get a rough idea based off of like show you guys numbers per trade, how much I'm going to lose occasionally, things like this, but not very often. Because I don't think it's really all that important for you guys to know these things. So I think in the meantime, I'm going to keep the account flip to 1% per trade. When the market does start to get less volatile, more stable, then I'm going to be a little bit more comfortable into jumping up to maybe 2%. But right now, it's just very hard to trade, and I think a lot of people are going through that. So it would be silly for me to preach all of this risk management and everything like that, and then go ahead and break those rules, upping my risk percentage when we're in the most uncertain time we'll probably ever experience in our lives in the market conditions.
Keeping me away from you. Now I can't breathe. How am I to live without you with me? Yeah. Now I don't know what the future holds, but why don't we try? Why don't we try? Let's just see how it all unfolds. You can't deny, but I can't deny. There's no way.
A bug on your back. It's in your shirt. Hold on. Don't move. It's kind of scary. I don't want to touch it.
Get it off!
Wait. Just kidding. It's not there.
Oh yeah.
Oh
There she is.
I know that you think that you made up your mind. I think that we've walked this road 1,000 times. Maybe we can run away.
So like idiots, we went to a beach full of rocks and dove in, and our feet are absolutely killing us. And then both of these Dumbos were white, so it's completely see-through. I won't show like super close because then I'll get flagged for whatever YouTube's nudity policy is. But no way, dude.
Yes. Smart.
This isn't fair.
You
And
have
look at this.
shoes.
Look at this
Of course
towel now
it's
too.
fair. Oh, this is so much better. Well, we
See,
did it.
you see how like nice the air is now?
I
the
can't
air-
focus because my feet fucking
Oh my
hurt.
god, look how white and red your knee, your left knee for some reason it's got like white spots.
You got too close.
Yeah, well, it's kind of not see-through anymore. But
Cooter flash out his
well, it's not like
There's
I'm.
your new exciting title, your clickbait.
Yeah,
Ash's
I'm
Cooter.
gonna put the
Simon
thumbnail
Cooter flash.
of just a zoom up of your crotch in white. I remember when we went and did this like FNHA with the group,
Yeah.
we all went and like changed in like the same time, all in the same room, and we all just like got like naked in the same room, like changed our freaking shorts or whatever. It was like really
With
weird.
Kerwin.
Yeah, it was kind of like really weird because you got like crazy shrinkage from.
You saw all of it?
All right, so and as promised, we got some of the actual profit logs here. Let's actually look at some of them. We can see, this guy doubled his account on the first day. I don't think Aquatic actually posted again later, so I think he actually blew up his account quite quickly after that. And he is a full-time trader. Let's see, $447 profit. If you can see there, $447 profit on that guy's. Let's go. This guy's 800 pounds on $1,000, so that's roughly double the account. Watch this video. $400 profit. You can see just a ton of people are doing super well. If you want to see some of these on your own, 6R, feel free to join the Discord. This is the guy. He made $3,000 from $100. That's absolutely crazy. And you can see here's some of the trades. Obviously, everything just has to go in the right direction for this to work, or it won't work at all. Feel free to scroll through some of them. Here's another one of him attempting again with $10. Flips it just crazy. It's just crazy. But he did private message me and show me a video where he did end up blowing it up. Here's another guy. Deposit $300, made $9,000. It's just absolutely crazy, and proof that it's a real account. You can see there. There's a ton. Feel free to check it out. Join the Discord in the link description below.
On 3 March, I deposited $107. I made profit. I took small withdrawals. After that, you can see how account grows. So 10 of the March, boom. Now you can see all the trades are in loss. One single trade goes wrong, then you will blow your account, guys. Don't try this, guys. This is extremely risky. You will lose all of your equity in just one single trade. You can see all of these trades are Euro USD. You will blow your account, and it took me like 1 week to make that much profit, and after that I lose everything in just one single trade, guys, in 30 minutes only.